In this video, we'll see the recipe of melt-in-mouth and flavorful mango mousse.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel at Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's get started.
Take 200 ml very cold whipping cream and whip it till you get stiff peaks. The whipping cream I'm using already has sugar in it, but if you're using the normal whipping cream which doesn't have sugar, you can add around 3 to 4 tablespoons sugar. So this whipping cream is whipped to stiff peaks. I'm going to refrigerate this until I follow the next step. In a mixer grinder jar, add 3/4 cup of chopped mangoes. These are fresh and juicy chopped mangoes. Grind to a smooth puree. Heat a pan and to that add the prepared mango puree. Keep the flame between low to medium. Now add 3 teaspoons sugar. After cooking the puree for 5 minutes, take it out in a bowl, leaving around 2 to 3 tablespoons in the pan. So we will be using this later in our whipped cream. In the same pan, add 2 teaspoons sugar. Give this a good mix. Add 2 tablespoons water and again stir. You need to cook this for 3 to 4 minutes and then strain. So this is going to be the glaze for our mango mousse. So our glaze is ready, let this cool and come to room temperature. So here I have a piping bag with a piping nozzle. It is a star-shaped nozzle. You need not be specific with the nozzle. You can take any type of nozzle or you can simply take the piping bag. Now fill a little bit of the white whipped cream into this piping bag and set aside. While you are not using this piping bag, you need to keep this in your refrigerator. Otherwise, the whipped cream will melt. To the remaining whipped cream, add the prepared cooked mango pulp which we had kept aside. Give this a good mix until the mango puree is completely combined with the whipped cream. Because we had cooked the mango puree, it's going to add a very nice and strong taste of mango to the mousse. Now fill this mango mousse in a piping bag. I'm not using any nozzle here. Cut the tip of the piping bag. If you do not have a piping bag, you can use any regular plastic bag. Fill the mousse cups with this mango flavored cream. And at the end, top it with some glaze, the mango glaze which we had prepared and kept aside to come to room temperature. And once you are done glazing the mango mousse, you need to refrigerate this for 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, top this mango mousse with some whipped cream and chopped cherries or tutti frutti. Try this easy mango mousse, eggless and easy mango mousse recipe in this mango season and enjoy!